Hi, welcome to Food Adventure. Today I'm going to make tandoori chicken and strawberry salad. Let's start to cut some lettuce. I will cut some loloroso. I'll cut some romaine lettuce. I like small pieces, so I will cut into 4. Some green Boston lettuce. Same I will cut into 4 for smaller piece. Some green loloroso. Some red Boston lettuce. Add into bowl. Add some cold water. Keep it for 20 to 30 minutes so it get fresh and crispy. Let's remove this lettuce and put in spinner to spin and make it dry. Put into container. Add some tandoori masala, yogurt, mix it well. Ginger garlic paste, add it, mix again. Let's cut some lime and lemon. Squeeze it, remove the juice. Add lemon juice in your paste. Mix it well. Add some olive oil. Mix it again. I like coriander, so I will add some fresh coriander. I'll do it fine chop. Mix it again. Okay, let's cut the chicken into half. I want my chicken to cook faster, so I will cut into half. Let's dip the chicken in marination. Put into container. Let's make a salad dressing. For salad dressing, I like to use some molasses sauce, lemon juice, and some olive oil as well. Blend it well. Here is our dressing ready. Let's cook the chicken. Put your pan, put in high heat. Make sure your pan is really hot. Add some olive oil. Add your chicken to cook. Make sure you cook your chicken each side 4 to 5 minutes so it will cook properly. Flip it over. Yeah, now it's ready. Let's remove the chicken from the pan. I will take that all flavors into my chicken. Let's cut some strawberries. I like strawberries in my salad, so I'll add some strawberries. Pour dressing on top. Cover it. Shake it well so it mix evenly. Let's pour the salad into bowl. Let's add strawberries on top. Let's cut the chicken. I like chicken in my salad, so if you want to eat separately you can eat, or you can add into your salad. I will add my chicken into salad. Here is our salad. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you like my video.